In this video, I'm going to show you how to post videos on Instagram Instants. Now, this is a new feature with Instagram, so make sure that you have the newest version of Instagram on your phone. So let's go to Instagram, and you want to navigate to your messages here. And you're going to find a little plus gray box at the bottom right-hand corner, and go ahead and click that. Now we're in the Instance window. So now from this point, you can go ahead and pick the camera, shoot a video. Now the video can be no more than 6 seconds, so it's important to keep that in mind. And you can go ahead to the very bottom here and choose if you want your friends to see it or your close friends. It's up to your choice. I'm just going to keep it on friends here. And go ahead, and to post the actual Instagram instance is to click and hold and record the video. And as soon as you let this go, it's going to immediately post this to your Instagram instance. And then you can quickly hit the undo button at the very bottom if you want. Now, once that's posted, if you want to go and see that instance, all you have to do is go ahead and hit the icon at the top right-hand corner here. And it's going to bring you to your instance pages so you can see how many that you've posted. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and post these Instagram instances. And that's it.